What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. We got some things going on today, thankfully. Keeping busy despite this crazy virus. Hope everyone is doing very, very well. I was glad to hear some updates from some of you on the last video. So hopefully everything gets back to normal and we can all get back to our typical daily and weekend lives. But until then, enjoy this little 1-minute montage that I put together, and then we'll get into the video. So this is how it always happens. I just wanted to vacuum the car out and started looking at the trim on my trunk. I'd done the lower in the vinyl gloss black. This was still plastidip from really early on, from when I just got the car, and it's just looking faded and bad. So I decided to pop the sucker off. It comes off relatively easily, but you just gotta be tough with it. These suckers don't really want to come out. So you don't even have to fully take your liner off, just the bottom part, so you can access the back of your deck lid. Little screws will come through here, 4 different places, and then those black pins that I was talking about, the plastic pins, are right there. You can kind of squeeze them, but it's difficult to get into. You really just have to kind of use your fingers in this position and just kind of pull. So you just gotta use a little bit of leverage and they come out, but that's a little bit of a beast. We'll clean up back here while we got this thing out. And I still got a little bit of vinyl left, so I think we'll have enough to work with this here. We just gotta get this plastidip off. I've started peeling it up a little bit, so we'll see. We'll see how it comes off. It's been on for, geez, over a year now, so. Oh, plastidip sucks. So keep going. I don't even know why I use this crap in the first place. Actually, I do know why, because everyone always asks, why don't you just use overlays or whatever? I'm not a huge fan of carbon fiber, as some of you know, and the reason I didn't use gloss black vinyl wrap like I did on the door trims is I didn't know if I was going to be able to make the vinyl fit tight around, and I don't want the chrome letters to show through either. And I know a lot of people use vinyl wrap and then they'll use an X-Acto knife and they'll cut the letters out. I don't want to do that. I don't want any chrome. So I'm gonna try to wrap this in vinyl, heat it up properly, and get all the letters showing as well. All right. Jeez Louise. Oof. Yeah. Progress. All done, and it looks like ass. Not bad from far away, but in the ends, the end pieces are decent. The end sections, I should say. And the top, bottom side looks good, but the letters, trying to keep the vinyl on tops of the letters is super difficult, just because it wants to bubble up. And this vivid vinyl leaves a lot of glue marks actually from underneath. So when you pick it up and lay it back down, you can tell where it had been laid down. So you can see somewhere on the end there. But this is gonna be temporary. I don't know. Might just end up trying to paint it, but we'll see. Let's put it back in and see how it looks. So it's just, let's see, 4 little nuts like that, and a couple of these little plastic pins. Again, you just get a little bit of leverage, pull them out from the outside, they pop out, and then you just got to pass these little rubber grommets through, just pull the wires out. But that's all it takes, and she'll be back in place. And obviously just your little plastic rivets, and you're good to go. Now before you put in all your rivets, make sure this has to get back behind your little emergency deck lid release button. Now you can put the clips in. Clips, everything back in. Let's take a gander. From a distance, it doesn't look bad. You still read it, but again, the end piece is decent. Golly, it looks terrible. It looks terrible, guys. First time I've tried to wrap something this, this contoured, this detailed. So my expectations were pretty low, to be honest. But again, I knew it was going to cause some problems just around all the letters. I guess we'll find a resolution later. Again, not bad from a distance. I don't know if we'll end up going overlays or just painting them, but I am not having the chrome letters sticking out. Just not doing it. So we'll have to figure something out. It almost seems pointless to clean the car, but we did it today. It's gonna stay clean for maybe 11 full minutes, something like that. Get some tire dressing back on the tires. But whatever, it's clean. It's Tuesday. It looks good. It looks good for the time that it looks good. Whatever. Trim piece doesn't look bad. The next day, everything's relaxed. The letters just aren't super defined, but I mean, you can definitely read it. You know what it says. Guess it's good enough for me for now. Well, guys, it definitely doesn't look as nice as it possibly could. I know I could do better, and I got a little bit of vinyl left, so I think I could probably make another attempt at it, but I just don't think it's going to turn out as nice as I want it to. So I think we're gonna have to look for alternate solutions. If any of you have purchased overlays that fit nicely, or you have access, or somewhere to get just gloss black ones rather than carbon fiber, let me know in the comment section below. I'm definitely interested in exploring some options out there. So thank you guys very much for watching. I know it wasn't too much of a informational or even exciting video this time, but they'll get better. I got some more plans coming up for this week, so stick around. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.